Hey, it's Wayne Carini. I'm here at the world headquarters of Car Capsule, and we've got this new product out. It's Paint Pro Station. I'm going to go in and paint a hood this afternoon, and let's see what happens. I flew out here today to try out your Paint Pro Station. It works unbelievably. The hood came out beautiful. I love the product.
It really turned out well. We had good ventilation. We're in a warehouse environment, so I think we proved its merit. So check us out at carcapsule.com.